Jammu and Kashmir, famous for its beautiful mountainous landscapes. The economy of this heaven on earth was predominantly dependent on tourism, agriculture and its allied activities. But presently, J&K and its neighbouring states have seen rapid growth which has led to an unmet employment demand to be fulfilled. Although the average literacy rate is over 50%, the valley still faces its share of unemployment, which is majorly caused due to the lack of vocational skills.
Asas kar panis panas se zot kam magar yim shud parno lekhno bor yiman as unkenas berozgari eke kotan his problem ch wife his problem ch berozgari ch yak mala ch sahi berozgari podit lekhit yim so shule ke sel per gasan muzuri podit lekhit ke baaj de muzuri kara.
In an attempt to bridge this gap, ILNFS, along with the support of the Ministry of Rural Development, is conducting placement-linked skill training programs for the upliftment of the youth in J&K.
Education, employability and empowerment are the three cornerstones on which the entire skill initiative program of the Cluster Development Initiative is built. To me, this is nothing but a good experiment of social engineering and management of change.
The youth is mobilized with the help of local bodies like panchayats and block development offices.
इसके तहत हमने कोई 22 बच्चे फर्स्ट फेज में और 25 लड़के फेज सेकंड में वहाँ भेजे हैं फॉर ट्रेनिंग जो 1 महीने का होता है. ये बच्चे दिन भर वही मिट्टी रेत निकालते थे फिर गाड़ियों में लोड करते थे. तो आप ये प्रोग्राम के तहत हमने उनको सिलेक्ट किया है, वहाँ भेजा है उनके लिए और उनको आगे भी प्लेसमेंट होगी तो उसके अच्छे रिजल्ट्स हमें आ रहे हैं.
The candidates that are selected after screening tests undergo training with the help of high-end multimedia content that is delivered by qualified trainers.
पहले दिन जब उनका बिहेवियर था, उनके वर्क एटिकेट्स, कपड़े पहनने के तौर तरीके बहुत ख़राब थे तो आधे कल्चरल ड्रेस में आए थे. तो इन द मीन टाइम जब भी उनकी ट्रेनिंग चली तो उनके ड्रेस, उनके वर्क एटिकेट्स, बिहेवियर में काफ़ी सारा चेंज आया.
The short duration of these courses helps improve accessibility and in maintaining the interest levels of the trainees, leading to a minimal dropout rate.
हमारे एज यू नो कि कश्मीर में बहुत सी फाइनेंशियल एम्प्लॉयमेंट की प्रॉब्लम है तो इसीलिए मैं यहाँ पे आई ट्रेनिंग लेने के लिए सो दैट कि मुझे जॉब मिले.
On successful completion of the training, these candidates are placed with relevant organizations.
मेरी प्लेसमेंट चंडीगढ़ में हुई है कैफी कॉफी डे में और मैं भी काफ़ी खुश हुआ और मेरा पूरा परिवार भी काफ़ी खुश हुआ. मुझे जो वहाँ पे सैलरी मिलेगी मैं उससे अपने आप को भी सपोर्ट कर सकता हूँ और अपनी फैमिली को भी.
A week ago we went to Srinagar for recruitment of some manpower in our concern and there we meet ILFS. They help us to provide some manpower for recruitment in Chandigarh head office.
We have recently started this center. This has been a 3-month-old center. Wherein the ramp up was great, we need to have the more manpower in place so that we can provide services to Airtel call center. And for this matter, the ILFS was a great help to us. They provided the manpower to us and they are in place with us. They are the employees of our call center, of our company, and that's been a great help to us.
We are extremely confident that we would be able to meet the demands of the industry and also meet the Ministry of Rural Development's objective of providing employment to the boys and girls in a very significant manner.
Apart from the financial independence, these programs have touched many lives.
मुझे शुक्रगुजार गवर्नमेंट कर यमन कर रहे नौकरी वो ये मतलब ट्रेनिंग वाइनिंग तो वो बने यमन रोजगार ऐसे बने में गुजार इस चीज में सड़ा खोज.
Now I am very much confident to face the people, to face the interview and to behave other people.
And now most of the candidates got selected in Cafe Coffee Day and at last but not least it made me feel very much proud.
ILNFS, driving the social change.